Good day, everyone. For today, we are going to prepare chocolate chip cookies.
Okay, so for the ingredients of the chocolate chip cookies, we'll have the following. Now this is a half cup of butter that is softened. And then again, half cup of brown sugar. Next is a half cup of the white sugar. Then we also need 1 egg and 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Then half teaspoon of baking soda. Now since this is chocolate chip cookie, so we need chocolate chips, which is 1 cup. And then I also got half cup of cashew nuts. Although nuts is optional, you could add nuts or without nut, that will be okay. And any nuts will do. Peanut, as long as the peanut would be the dry roasted one. Pwede rin walnuts, and in this case, I am using the cashew nuts. Right? So what we do, okay, so what we do now is that on a large bowl, we are to mix together the softened butter, then the two sugars, the brown sugar and the white sugar. Just have to mix this together. You could use a spatula, you could use a rubber scraper, or you could use a wooden spoon. This is spatula. It's another type of spatula that I am using. Just have to blend this. You don't have to cream this. As long as this is well blended, then that will be okay. As long as there will be no trace of butter.
Now that it's well blended already, so we'll add one whole egg. Then we'll set this aside. And now we'll add the baking soda into the flour. And now we'll be coating the chocolate chips with the flour. At this point, we will be adding now the chopped cashew nuts.
And then we'll combine the two together. Okay, so now we will be adding the flour into the butter, sugar, and egg mixture. think there's, check if there's still trace of flour. There. Okay, so this is it. So we are now to drop this into a lined cookie sheet. Just wait a minute. Wait, 2, 3. Okay, so now this is the lined cookie sheet. This has been lined with parchment paper. Now I will be using an ice cream scoop. At least 1 or 1.5 inches apart. If you do not have an ice cream scoop, then you could use like this, a tablespoon. Now let us try to drop the cookies using, this time, I am going to use a spoon. If you do not have this one, the ice cream scoop, you could just drop it like this using a spoon. This is now ready to be baked. So this will be the yield. One recipe would yield like this. So it's 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 chocolate chip cookies. Now this will be baked in a 350 degrees oven for 12 to 15 minutes. This is how it looks like once you break it. Okay. Here is now our finished product, the chocolate chip cookies. There you go. That is best paired with a glass of milk.